spotter information statement. Skywarn spotter activation may be needed. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Grandview County in southeastern Minnesota until 5 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wanamingo, or 18 miles east of Northfield, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Red Wing, Zamrota, Grandview, Wanamingo, Welch, Frontenac, Vasa, Wakita, Belchester, Westalo, Central Point, and Frontenac State Park. This includes U.S. Highway 61 between mile markers 82 and 101. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Grandview, Minnesota.